Hello my friends, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the fam. My name is Ina Pandora and I am a makeup artist here in Central Florida and on social media as well. Today we are going to be doing lip swatches, and in particularly these ones are from Pinky Rose Cosmetics. I don't know if you guys heard about this brand, but it's definitely underrated, and the products that I've purchased before from them were actually really nice. Now these lipsticks are from the Nude collection, so it's a nude bundle. They are on sale right now, so you can get 6 pieces for $30, which is like $5 each. However, they are available on individual, so I'll leave all the information in the link in the description box under this video. I'm totally in love with the formula. I'm wearing right now the Crush, but I'm definitely going to be swatching them, and I'm going to show you up close how they look like on the lip. They don't budge, they don't crumble, which is super important. So for the price, I think the formula and the quality of the lipsticks are amazing. I have never had any lipsticks from Pinky Rose Cosmetics before. However, I did have and do have some palettes that I'm actually going to review in the near future, so stay tuned for that. For the lipsticks, this is my first bundle. Alright guys, without rambling too much, let's get into swatching. Alright guys, this one is Naked Truth, and I would say it's like an orangey nude. I actually don't mind it at all. At first, I was like a little bit skeptical about the color, but once it dries out, it's actually not too bad. I don't know, I kind of like the vibe. The next shade is No Shade. They are definitely very similar. However, the No Shade is a little bit lighter. I did swatch it on my hand, so you kind of can see the difference. There is a little bit of a difference. No Shade is a little more pink undertone, but like even hardly even noticeable. Next one is Crush. Definitely it reminds me like of a Desert Rose kind of lipstick. Love this one. Very comfortable and not patchy. Very beautiful. Alright guys, this one is in the shade Senorita. Definitely is the lightest shade in this bundle. However, it's kind of the same tone as the Naked Truth and No Shade. Kind of nude, brown, orangey tone, like more on a warmer side. I honestly don't mind it at all. It looks so similar that I wish they would be a little more different, but at the same time, they are such a pretty color, so I don't mind to have kind of doubles on them either. Honestly, out of all the 5 that I just swatched, this one is definitely my favorite color. It's more of like a chocolate cool tone. I would say it reminds me of Coco. And a brown, absolutely gorgeous. It definitely is more into like a darker nudes, so once it dries out, it gets more like a little darker than initially we applied. However, same formula, very lightweight, and definitely very pigmented. And definitely one of my favorite from this bundle, even though every single color is absolutely gorgeous. Alright guys, this one is definitely the pinkiest out of them all, but I think it's not just like pink like a Barbie pink, but more of like a reddish pink. I don't know how to explain it, like more like a carnation, corally pink. All of them are actually very pretty colors, you guys. I personally love every single one of them. And that was the last shade, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. I hope to see you on my next one. Make sure to subscribe to not miss any of my future videos. Let me know if you like videos like this and what lipstick or what product should I test or swatch next. Let me know in the comments down below. Other than that, thank you for watching and hope to see you on my next one.